So yeah, just I go left over here so now and dig it got me yard. Every time this so freaking good, bro. Yes, brother. So we are chop it, go back home here. No. Yo, me don't know that helmet you let in a lot of wind. Cause me I listen back to the audio. And it come like the helmet, enough wind a come in. Me say me that try see if me can. Yeah. I mean I say would I go to tax office go try collect me my license. I renew the license. Money I do, hey boy. Patrol again? Oh, come on. I love playing around with my bike. So the gloves, my initial review, they feel really good. I mean, it's been a while since I've ridden with gloves, so the whole feeling and everything, it feels weird. Like the touch and everything just feels so weird. I'm not used to it. So I'm gonna have to get my mind and my body back into the shape of riding with gloves. Yep. Can't wait to start some tutorials, man. So I'm taking the old road and now I go up that road. I need to urinate though. I really need to urinate. Oh my god, I must can urinate over here so that take off my pretty gloves because I don't want to touch my tingling with my pretty gloves. I'm going to urinate right here. Hey, don't look, guys. Don't look. This is my pee-pee, it's not yours. Stop looking. Watch the lizard. Hey, boy, stop look for me. You love, man? I know say you're a man lizard, you know. You're a little fishy in the lizard. Bombat. What go on? Yeah, me just go collect it and chop it, go up back here now. I wanna eat that now?
No, right, I eat man.
Oh! Come here and say you're well grimy. Dog machine pretty, man. Me just I think about to go buy something. What the name there? Yo, me not even remember what name. I think with your spray and it make your bike shine. Amara. You know how long me not use it. Man, I wait till you reach. Man, can't man not stay like your brother, aren't you? Your food tastes better when you reach home and eat it, brother. Man, I dig down. Yo! You man dangerous, right? Yo, whoa, Mr. Oh shit! Let me take a look down. Man say hungry. Want to kill or take it easy, me dan. Yo, me can't do that them man I eat on road or eat while me a ride or, you see me? If I want carry me in then that too, if I want carry me in me have to wait till me reach home. If I want carry me in me have to wait till me reach home to eat. Me can't eat on the road, brother. Can't do like them man. I went last week Thursday when me come on the road. Me never eat till about them time, yeah. Me have to wait till me reach home because I was like, nah, food tastes better when me reach home, man. You guys can stop bashing me now and say that, hey, you should buy some gloves. Got my gloves, bro. Got my gloves, man. Look at that, they're so pretty. I'm gonna pull up next to this dude. Yeah, I'll catch him. Look at him. I want to see him chomping down the food. Oh, they got one like mine. Oh, that's nice. They got a blue one. Inaudible. Y'all remember Michael? He's Michael, the guy that I always ride home with and stuff. That car wants to pass. Look. Yeah, look. Yeah, man. Trying to make press him back then. You know that he wants to make a pass. And we're going to make a pass too. Yay! I saw that muffler this on. So that muffler this on. Hey boy, I'll push out from me like say up. The man all drink juice, brother. This guy's crazy. Come on, compression, give me some love, brother. Yo, I'm legit. Oh yeah, that's why I smell the new gloves. Cause I put it in the helmet. Cause I'm like, why am I smelling the gloves, bro? And the gloves are on my hand. I bet same belly no full. It's like when you're eating on the road or eating while moving. It's like your belly never full. Yeah, like the food I move. Food I move while you move. You understand? Do you not understand me? I'm going to give you a downshift. No, not now, because that would be first gear. But brake. Oh, brake. Oh, brake. Oh, brake. Brake. Bike is going down. Hold it. Brake. 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 Oh my god, nobody's hailing me. Oh my god, I feel so left out. What go on this a while ago? A gear him couldn't find or something? I swear think a madman not come here and say, how am I move, sir? Okay, we're just gonna slowly pass you. Thank you. Woo! 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 In the corner because it's better. Whoa! Wiggle. Oh, for the guys that love the backfiring. Hey boy. Hey cowboy. But hey boy. For the guys that love the backfiring, you're not gonna hear that as much anymore. because that carburetor is off. Who that? Superior? Hey boy, go and tell the man and go around. Move from here, so man. Are you alright the bike? Are you alright the bike? Are you alright the bike? I can't tell the man and go around. Hey boy, go from here, so. Don't make him wear boots, you know. Don't make him wear boots, you. See a white rum in the hand. You see a white rum in the hand. Me now make nobody with white rum in the hand boots me up, brother. You mad? Yeah. So fast, man. I don't worry about that. That's at least, me G.
Bye, have a great time.
Blah. Hey boy, hey boy, hey boy. Hey boy, what kind of store that you have to go? Go back. I don't have a thing I do, you know, I just the man finger up a rotted stone. Yeah, cheat under your say go. Oh yes, one I Jamco Robinson there. I think I want Jamco that. Yeah, I want that man. See man a forward there now. See man, I am in a shop. I woman I look for.
Okay, yeah. A woman me like seeing
I am take over a shop now. You see a new and improved things that go on. See what going on in here.
Woman me like seeing her, man. Come and call case, so they can sell no goods you come to buy for woman.
Oh, go turn up and look.
But the lady just step down for me there, please. You say you like the woman. If you like the woman, you go to Tavern Square. But if you want good talk.
Oh, what? Fender 25 600.
No man, the back Fender something. Oh, 350. Man, give me the blue one.
Nothing that go in a bike shop here, man. Tire too, little tire.
Just a thing.
Aisle there too. Huh? Me rotted. Just a nose dog. A precaution you want to take one. Take your time, pretty it up, you know. If you have a bag of money, you could have spent it. Save time.
Yeah, isn't it?
Come on, my ID, my G. My driver's license, they expire. But I have the receipt, I just want to see if it reach.
Yeah, driver's license.
Slash riders, I have both of them, I need to get it.
Yeah, riders and that? Let me see.
It depends on the driver's license. Depends on the driver's license. I don't know nothing different, you know, I just mark for motor vehicle. Yeah, come on.
I said that. So don't forget the bike on top.
Yeah man, same place for depot.
Depot? Yeah, for right feet.
Yeah.
That we can't what I.
Brother man. That me just tell him, go up there, then put you up on the hill and say, alright, start off, don't move back. Boom. Go 3 cone them. Boom, done. Legit that, brother. That's why I say enough man need for go feet man you.
You're a difference with me now. More want if I'm licensed.
You want it separate?
Yeah, fuck. I see him charge again. I see him points. I come off for your license like that.
I come off for that too?
It's not a license? I want this guy.
A lie. I never know that.
So make a thing most man that is alright.
No man.
A good thing this we have still enough. But why I think that most people don't go for your license? I can't. The learners, what you can do with the learners?
Nothing, right.
Just the learners, you know. I And the learners are one of the biggest license ever have. Man laugh. Yes. You can drive that truck the way you make nice out there, so. As long as a man sit up.
You can do anything with the learners. Anything.
You can drive even a bus there. With the learners.
As long as
somebody with the license there.
I true that, man. Talk true.
You can drive a boat, you can drive a plane, you can drive a ship.
I true.
With the learners.
That makes sense.
I know it's me, tell you about the other side and tell you them no want tell you that. If you make it look like Seriante, you see me? That's why they make it renew every year. Why biggest license you have? You don't carry weight.
You don't carry nothing. More than your TRN number.
Ticket that go for her. You will get a ticket, man. You will get a ticket, man.
Come by your TRN. Are your TRN?
You get a ticket off.
Yeah.
So point is in on your license, you know, it's TRN in the number, they go right across the board, you know.
They can't get no point. Don't have to do, man.